guys, so this is Renee's vlog during the coronavirus times, the isolation, the lockdown, and I'm feeling much more positive today, and I think that's because of the sun. Spring has arrived, and also I've stopped thinking certain thoughts and looking at social media too much. And also last week was stressful because, hold on, pause. Cece, Mummy's just going to do another one, okay? Can we be quiet, please? Thank you. I'm back. My daughter, obviously we're in isolation with our family, so my daughter's just walking around, enjoying the garden and talking a lot. There she is. How's your family? How are you? How are you doing in lockdown, by the way? Wherever you are in the world. Make a comment below and tell me where you are and if you're in lockdown and what you're doing to keep yourself busy or sane at this time. So this little vlog today is just to share with you, I did a positive thought for the day earlier, which was about miracles still occurring, even though tragedies are also occurring at this time on a grand scale. Cece. Thank you. Love her. So if you want to tune into that video, pop over, have a look at the links below. I'll put the link to that, or it will pop up at the end. Might as well say with baby here. How are your babies? How are your children? I hope they're well. I hope you're well, you and your family. And I just wanted to share with you that, yes, my own personal vlog, my little diary experience, is that last week was such a nightmare for my husband and I because we literally lost everything overnight, like many people. We're self-employed, we're freelancers. A lot of our gigs... Pause for 1 second, please. Okay, I think the battery's going to be fine, so I'll quick make this short. So basically last week was hellish. This week is more heavenly because we've gone and meditated more. We've watched things that make us laugh. We've connected as a family, making each other laugh. We've lightened up a bit. And as a result of, you know, practicing our spiritual stuff and clearing our space, I have to say, we had a miracle in that last night, now my neighbours have come out in the garden. We had a miracle in that my husband received a phone call to do with his business that we normally have to do live, and was given an opportunity to do it virtually. So we're sorting that out now, so it looks like we might have an income, if not for the long term, at least for now. And it's a synchronicity because we didn't know that this could happen. So yeah, the energy shifted 180 degrees. So I would like to share with you, that's my story. Would you like to share with me what's happening with you? Maybe you've had a synchronicity recently. Maybe you would like to have more synchronicity and miracles happening. Talk to me, let me know in the comments below with the topic all about synchronicities, miracles, things that have happened out of the blue, coincidences, as a result of this isolation or coronavirus pandemic. Okay, let's keep it positive and let's help each other and share some good stories. Okay, so do sign up to my mailing list if you want more from me. I'm doing vlogs during this whole coronavirus thing, and I'm going to be doing some free meditations for you, all sorts of goodies and treats.
Flies in the house now. The spiders can't eat it now.
And there's some child wisdom for you about flies and spiders. Okay, Cece. And so if you'd like to join my mailing list, please do. I've got lots of goodies and treats and some challenges and games for you during this time as well, which is going to be very good and uplifting. So that's at www.angelic-creations.net, and I'll put all the links below. And do feel free to watch more videos and subscribe to this channel. Yes, because I've got more stuff coming for you soon. Lots of freebies, okay, to help you keep uplifted and help you move through these times with less anxiety and stress. Oh, and I'll do this another time. I'm trying to keep this short because of all the noise. So sending you lots of love. I'm sorry I'm talking too quickly. I love you, you know that. Have a look at my other videos if you want more relaxing stuff where I'm speaking more slowly. Love you. Tell me how you're doing. Lots of love. Namaste.
Tonight